today. Whee. Oh my god, the fucking cracker. Oh my god. Alright, let's send him off. Jamie, well done, mate. Oh my god. Holy shit, he's fucking enormous. Fucking hell. Alright, 2 seconds. Jamie!
Yeah, boy!
Another one, man! Oh my god! Ew! All we had to do was try a new spot. Yeah, baby. A big Izzy. So,
64.
64. You
Don't exactly know what it is. Looks like a tailor.
You fucking ripper. Alright, send him home. See you later, buddy. See you next time. Well done, Jamie. You. Someone else's one. Nice one.
It's my fucking multicolor.
Didn't think it was going to happen today.
It's really fucking changed all the shit today. Can't be a bastard.
What do you reckon, Jamie? How about you?
45.
45 centimetre flathead. Ew! We're almost giving up today. Jamie with the goods again.